Hey guys, it's me, I'm back on Essential, and today I'll be shooting a tutorial on how to make an easy paper Viper ghost face from Day by Daylight. It's a mask, skin, I could call it a skin maybe. So yeah, we're gonna make the Viper ghost face mask, and this mask has to be by far the most coolest mask I've seen because it's got kind of a nostalgia feel for me. So here's the drawn out version. I just drew it on one side, and yeah, as I was saying, it's got a nostalgia factor for me because I used to draw masks like this, right, like pirate skulls but with scary teeth, and yeah, kind of brought me back. So I was drawing this earlier roughly for this video, and kind of reminded me of that. So let's cut this out. Let's cut out the mouth, eyes, and the entire face, and I'll see when that's done. Alright, so here's the basic layout. Now what I'm going to do is add the designs. I think I should do it live, and I'm kind of contemplating making these eyes empty because they don't look that good when they're empty like this. Also, one more thing I'd like to add. It's a Viper mask, so I'd appreciate it to be a bit more sharper than that. Like maybe this, perhaps. Right? Yeah, that's better. I hope that's better. But if you do that, you need to fix something over here. Alright, so for the design I'll be using my marker, pen, first of all pen. So we are going to be making the nose. Let's start with, oh, the teeth are too far apart. Let me fix that as well. I didn't even think of that. How about now? I think it's a bit better now. I don't think it's that much better. Anyways, you've got this right there, which moves on to like that. So let's draw that. Now I don't need to be as proficient with this as with the Haku mask because it's a ghost face for crying out loud. It doesn't have to be, you know, detailed. So this is what I was talking about. I had to be super precise with that mask. Don't need to do that anymore. So let's just do random things like this. And then the nose just right there. Now I do want a bigger nose, so I will use my marker for that. Okay, that's better. And then let's draw the teeth. And then we'll color this all black. Same over here. Alright, and then let's add some things like that. Now we have the lower jaw to worry about, for which I'll be doing a design like this, and then a teeth right in the middle like this. And then another one, and another one. Alright, so let me color everything other than those teeth. I don't know about that. That looks weird. So let's change a couple things here. Let's make it a bit bigger. By using my white gel pen. It's super handy in scenarios like this when you unintentionally mess things up. Hoping that it would look good, but it actually doesn't. So let's finish that. Now let's move on to the lower region right around there. You know, make like cracks and stuff all around, and then ruin it in some places. After that, you can just, okay, yeah, oh, never mind, that looks good actually. So let's do this, join those two, and once that's done, can worry about the top of the teeth. Details, and now we can finally move on to the forehead, which is the last place you need to decorate it. Alright, so perfect. So up there and down there, they look pretty similar. Now, next up, you can focus on is making it look more gruesome by using red paint. So let me use some red paint below the eyes. I should not have painted the mouth. something below it. Right there, perfect. And then just lines everywhere. Could even use the lower part of your brush. Alright, I think that's about all the painting I can do. Now all I have to do is cover this up and then do a couple folds. Alright, so here's how it looks so far. Made it look quite gruesome. Now I just need to add 2 folds right there, 1 fold right over there, and that cheekbone, and then I need 1 more fold over there. And just like that, we have our ghost face mask complete. Actually, let's just add 2 more folds down there to make his chin pop out a bit as well. Alright, wait a second, that's the other way around. So yeah, there it is. Just added the fold at the bottom as well, squish it in. And one more thing you could do is like fold it outwards like this, fold the teeth inwards like that, fold the side of the mouth again. And then there you have it. Alright, so I added 2 more folds up there, and there you have it. That's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope you got some inspiration to do some paper crafts. And if you did, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment me down below what should I do next in my next videos, and share my videos. Also, I'd like to add 2 more folds right around there. There you go. That's much better. That's the Viper I was looking for. So yeah, that's about it. See you in the next one.